AOR booth, and they have this new thing called MyBlueprint, which I'm so excited about.
Good morning. Look what we just had fall on our doorstep. And this is the new AOR MyBlueprint. It is a DNA test. It's not like your typical DNA test that is ancestral related. It is more specific to your health.
So what makes this different and what makes this genetic testing kit different is that it is geared towards safety, security of information and your data. We're never going to sell it to anybody. We're pledging to make sure that this is definitely something only you exposed.
What I love and what I was so excited about when I saw this DNA test was they have a list of things that they check for in the test.
How brilliant is it that you now have this tool that can say, in actual fact, these are the supplements and these are the areas of your body that you really need to be supporting based on your genetics. I just think that's so cool.
It is, and they also give you like physical fitness. You can see physical fitness on there, mental wellness.
AOR is going to provide also an incredible report that's going to be very comprehensive. So it's something that any person, that you don't have to be a practitioner to understand how to apply the information.
And like detox is a great example because some people really do need to, we get people asking all the time, like, how many times a year do I really need to detox? Well, this will help give you those answers because I might only need to detox twice a year, whereas Shauna might benefit from detoxing more often and using specific things that I might not have to use, or vice versa.
There's going to be a lot of really juicy, incredible, advice and or recommendations that can be applied, day to day in your dietary, in your lifestyle, and your supplemental regimen.
Yes, and it is hard to do everything, stay super active, eat super well, take all the right supplements, it's time consuming, it can be expensive, so this is just so great that you can really hone in on what parts of your health are the most important.
Yeah.
And we're so excited because we literally got these in today. So we bought our kits, we both have our kits here, so we're going to show you. They come in a little box like this, and the instructions are super easy, and then it comes with your little swab for testing.
And what you're supposed to do is swab inside your mouth. You're not supposed to eat or drink anything or brush your teeth for at least half an hour before this happens. And then after that, you're going to stick it into this little tube and you're going to break it off where that line is. Can you see that line?
Wow, Shauna really got into this. I'm
yes.
still struggling like a 5-year-old.
Yeah.
I can't.
And then it goes screwed into here and then into your little envelope.
All right, you ready?
I sure am. Okay, woo, that was tough. Anyway, into the little jar it goes. Gonna break it off there.
Oh, Shauna acts like she's done this before.
Never.
All right, so snap that swab off and pop it in the little vial. And then here comes a nice little envelope that's gonna take this right to the DNA lab in Ontario. So I'm gonna pop that right in here. Do not forget to put your paperwork in here.
This is something that you only really need to do once, and actually it will give you the best guideline for physical exercise, for supplements, for diet, everything that you need to live optimally for your age and DNA. And so a lot of you guys are probably wondering how much this little baby costs. Well, to live optimally for the rest of your life, this little kit is $350.
One time.
One time only. And really, that's not a lot considering what people take for medications on a monthly basis or what you might be taking even in supplements.
Totally. The amount of people that I know, we meet people often who say, I bought all these supplements and I don't take them, or I don't know that they're right for me. Well, they could have bought a kit and found out what's right for them.
Yeah.
It's so exciting.
It's phenomenal. Yeah,
so we're going to go put these in the mail before the mailman comes because we really want these to go today. We are so excited.
Yeah.
Thank you, AOR.
Thank you for watching.
And thank you for watching.
And I really hope that you get a chance to do this. And please share with us.
Yeah, share your results with us.
If you
order the test on our website, www.abacohealth.com.
Yeah.
Send in your DNA. Let us know how you get on. And we're so excited for us and for all of you to do this test.
We are so excited about this new thing. And, again, like DNA testing is out there for everybody, but this is one where they pledge to hold your details as private as they can.